my name is Tracy Miller. I'm a nurse practitioner here at Elite Wellness Center in Lyman. And today we are going to actually go through our stretches, cat-cow stretch or cat-horse stretch, and you can actually count along with this video. So we are going to get on all fours, palms are flat, and on our knees, and then we are going to actually arch up with head down, okay? That's like a scared cat. And then we're going to go back to our neutral position, then go down. Okay, this is like a horse with our head up. And we're going to actually do this 10 to 15 times. Okay, so up, 1, and up, 2, 3, and down, and back up, 4, and down, 5, and down, 6, 7, and 8, 2 more, 9, and last one, 10. So you can perform this stretch in the morning when you get up, and also any time of the day when you feel really tight in your back area. Again, this is your cat-cow stretch or cat-horse stretch. Thank you.
Vamos a hacer un ejercicio para estirar el cuerpo. Lo primero que van a hacer es ponerse en 4 con las manos y rodillas plantadas. Y vamos a redondear la espalda al mirar abajo. Después vamos a arquear la espalda al mirar arriba. Va a repetir este ejercicio 10 a 15 veces en la mañana y cuando esté tenso el cuerpo. Este ejercicio es el caballo gato estirado.